Hello guys, another short video. I'm seeing in a lot of forums, discussions, a lot of discussions about the detailed targeting expansion. The detailed targeting expansion is the button that we actually use on the ad set level. Here's a print screen which is saying that reach people beyond your detailed targeting selections when it's likely to improve performance. Now, the truth is that this button back in 2020, it wasn't a good button. It was actually causing the ads to spend more. It was like doing broad targeting and not having good results. If you are starting right now and you have a new pixel, don't use it. Use some of your interests that are going to let you target until 2-3 million. When you have more data, you can go and start using the button. The button is not bad, the button is good, you should use it, especially if you're having seasoned pixels, you should always use it. It's like not using broad targeting in order to scale. Now, there is a lot of discussion that I actually have seen ad accounts that they have this option now that says, and I'm going to put also a picture, it says detailed targeting, improvements to detailed targeting. Now, when you optimize for value, conversions or app events, your detailed targeting selections will be used as an input to guide ad delivery. We may deliver ads beyond blah blah blah. Your exclusions and targeting selections outside of detailed targeting, such as age, gender, location and languages, will remain unaffected. That means that Facebook is actually doing a change and they are actually going to make the option mandatory, okay? When you're running your conversion ads, you will not be able to check or uncheck this box. And let me tell you that I think that this is good, okay? This is not a bad thing. And by watching several accounts, I can tell you that this button is actually improving the results. And you should actually use it in your ads. So don't worry if you don't have the option to use it. Some people might say, but you said that in new accounts we should not check it. Okay, it will be a little bit more difficult to kickstart, but at the end of the day, we care about the end game and the scaling, not so much about the initiation, because we know that on Facebook the initiation is expensive. So don't worry about it. It's going to be mandatory. Get used to it. You cannot avoid it. We're going to use it always. And just before I close, I want to say something, because I'm seeing a lot of stupid messages on forums and I don't have the time or the psychological power to actually answer. Some people say that now that the iOS change came, we should target smaller audiences. This is the most stupid thing that I have seen in the world. And let me tell you why it's stupid. Because what happened with the iOS? We have less advertisement audience. We can target less people. So what we should do, we should increase our audiences. This is how it goes. If we have less people to advertise and we also shrink our advertising potential reach, then this is not okay, okay? So for all out there that they believe that you should target smaller audiences, this is a total BS, okay? And stop saying this kind of things to people, because some people, they don't have the technical understanding to understand if it's good or bad, and they're actually doing your stupid suggestions to their accounts. I will see you in a future video.